is all you'll need for this tasty Turkish chicken dish. A couple of cloves of garlic, some tomato puree, some sumac, which is widely used in Turkey. It's got a lemonish sort of flavour to it. Some chilli flakes, some pomegranate syrup, molasses it's called, some olive oil, and of course some chicken wings. First thing we're going to do is make up the marinade. So into a bowl you want to finely chop or pulverise your garlic, as I've done, and into there you're going with a couple of tablespoons of sumac, half or more, depends how much you like it, chilli flakes, and then about a heaped tablespoon of your tomato paste, and the same with your pineapple molasses, and give them a quick whisk round. Then into there with a pinch of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper, get them mixed in, and then it's time to get your hands dirty and get it rubbed into the chicken. Once you've got your chicken thoroughly coated in your marinade, then you're going to put that in the fridge for an hour just to let those flavours infiltrate your chicken. When your chicken has been in the fridge for an hour or more, time to get it out. You get some of your olive oil onto it. Give that another rub in, and then you're going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for half an hour. When they've had 30 or more minutes, time to take them out of the oven, plate them up and enjoy it.